Here we go. Front seat POV of Time Traveler, which turns into not the front seat. Oh gosh! Oh! Oh yeah! Woohoo! Oh, I think we just went upside down or something. Oh my gosh! Woo! All right, so we're coming into the first launch here, and oh, like yeah, please let us launch sideways. Let us launch sideways or backwards or anything. We never know which. We are ready. Oh my God! Oh, we were spinning while we launched. Oh, every ride is different. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is a beautiful view of going upside down. Woo! Whee! Oh, I think I just got airtime. Oh God, we just went upside down again. Oh, second launch. Here we go. Woo! Oh, we are hanging. Oh, what an awesome ride. That was absolutely bonkers. Woo!
This was our biggest time jump yet.
All you gotta do is dream big and do good.
Hey everyone, we are at Silver Dollar City riding the brand new Time Traveler. We are with Brad Thomas, park president of Silver Dollar City. And you were not nervous about riding this at all, right?
I am not nervous. We're getting ready to do some time travel, which, Rob, is an amazing journey. Here we go to this drop.
All right.
Doing a little drop, 90 degrees down.
Oh my gosh.
Now we're going to do this launch, break us all the way down to a total stop.
We have no idea which way we're going to take this launch.
Oh, we're going to do it backward.
All right.
That's rare.
Every ride is different. Oh man, here we go.
Little hang time there.
This ride is just, it's smooth, it's fast, it's quick, and I honestly still am not too sure what just happened back there.
Well, and Rob, you know, the fun thing is to do those inversions, many of them on your side.
Yeah,
you know, it's like that's a totally different experience. We've all done inversions before, but you might even do an inversion backward, but to do the inversion when you're on the side is a totally different experience.
And did I just get airtime while I was on the side and spinning? Did we get some bugs?
I think we got some airtime, my friends.
I love this backwards thing. We're not going to be backwards. We're not going to be backwards for long. All right, here we go. We're heading out backwards in the station on Time Traveler, but not for long. Oh! Oh, now we're forwards. Oh my God. Oh, I love it. Oh, this is fantastic.
Oh, we're about to go, aren't we?
Oh, if we launch sideways, this is going to be awesome. All right, here we go.
That was, oh,
I have no idea which direction you're going to be at any time.
Ready for launch.
I'm ready. Here we go. Oh, oh, we're turning. Woo! Oh, woo! Oh, loop-de-loop. Love it. Oh, I was out of my seat there. Oh, woo! Oh, here comes the second launch. Backwards.
Great.
Woo! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh, that was absolutely fantastic.